Drone pool here. I just gonna talk to you for a quick minute, show you a couple little things I'm gonna be working on coming up. But I want to thank everyone who participated in the last giveaway I had. I thought it went very well. Congratulations to James Linden. He chose the Ghost Drone. And congratulations to Kev74, who won the grab bag box of odds and ends. But I just appreciate all the support for this channel. I'm at 300 subs now, and that's a milestone for me. So, you know, I couldn't do it without you guys. So I appreciate it very much. And just everyone who came out for that giveaway, I mean, I was really surprised. I know the Ghost Drone was a big factor drawing people in, and I don't have anything like that for the next one. But I'll probably go ahead and schedule one here coming up in a week or so. You know, I have the Furby F36, I have the Red Heron, the Force 1 Red Heron, which is a pretty decent quad. It's pretty good. And I have the Sina X5A. So I have those three for you to choose from. And then I'll probably put in a surprise fourth item. It won't be a drone, but it's drone related. But you'll have to wait for the giveaway video to see what that is. But I mainly just want to say thanks to everyone who supports this channel, who comments on the videos. You know, I really do appreciate it. And I don't know what to say. You guys are pretty cool. You know, you are a good group of guys. You know, and girls, Kelly, Crystal. So, and I know there's probably more, a couple more, but so thanks a lot. I'm going to show you a couple things real quick that I got coming up that I'm going to be working on, and then that'll be about it. I'm just going to keep this short, but we'll do a quick little look at something here, quick unboxing of a couple things, and then I'll let you go. So, alright, well, thanks for tuning in. I'll be right back. I'm going to turn the camera around. Alright, I'm back. First thing I want to I just got this in the mail the other day. Now, when they say micro, you know it's going to be small. But when you look at it online and they got that blowed up picture of it, it doesn't look as small as when it is when you get it. So I got this, I originally got this for my Bug 6, but after opening it up, I don't think it's going to work. I'll probably put this on the Ghost Drone. Hopefully it'll be better. But I got a little Foxeer camera. Man, this is the Foxeer Aero Micro. Is it Pro or Plus? One of the two. Look how little that thing is. Small. See what this says about it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll probably put this on the Bug 6. It's got OSD. It's got an OSD panel in there. It doesn't give the specs right here. But, so, yeah, I'm going to probably put that on the Ghost Drone. Yeah, that's pretty dang small. So, it's gotten good reviews though. They say it's better than the RunCam competitor. So, a lot of people are liking it. So that'll go on the Ghost Drone. So I got that. Man, let's just open this up real quick. This won't be a full unboxing. We'll just take this out and look at it real quick. Well, might as well unbox it, and I'll do a flight review when I get a chance. Man, that feels heavy. Man, my light's shining get rid of that light glare. But that is the Bolt B. It says 50 km, 50 kilometers an hour. This is by Holy Stone. Okay, now there's a cousin to this out there. The Heliway 903, and it's gotten good reviews. Ryan Duvall over at RD Drone Reviews did a review, and he really liked it. Clay over at Retaking Humanity did a review of it. He really liked it. Chris Riley's got one, and I was watching some of his videos where he's modding an FPV camera and put it in here in a battery mod. So yeah, I'll probably be doing some mods on this too. But let's check it out since we're here. I ain't got nothing else better to do. I don't know, this thing's got some weight to it. Neat little box. Oh, and I was going to tell you this too. Now, the cousin I was telling you about, the Heliway 903, you can get that at Gear Worst for $36. Wait 30 days for it to get to you and hope it works when you get it. Or you can get this one through February 14th from Amazon for the same price, $36. Plus, if you have Prime, 2-day delivery. This comes with 2 batteries. Not 1, but 2. So it's a no-brainer. It's got a little quick start guide right here on the inside flap. That's kind of neat. Okay. You know, and this is kind of just a neat little gesture. This is just like a notebook for you to take notes or whatever. Maybe log flight time or something, or you could use it for almost anything, really. You could put some little this is kind of neat. That was nice of them to include that. Huh. Phone numbers for support, and from what I've been told, I don't have experience with it, but from what I've been told, Holy Stone service is supposed to be really, or customer service is supposed to be really good too. So that's just a bonus. Then you have the manual, instructions for use. They got their phone number and their emails right there on the front. And just the standard stuff. Transmitter takes 6 AA batteries, which I find is a lot. But I mod all my transmitters to take the LiPo, so I'll probably be doing the same for it. Okay, let's look at this thing. Here's the transmitter. Nice size transmitter for that little quad. It's got that kind of a rubbery feel to it. So I'll go. I think these are fake. Right here. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you about this. The speed control, it's a wheel, and you roll it and it beeps, you're in the next rate, you roll it again to the next beep, and I think there's 5 speeds on this thing. So you can start out at very slow and work your way up. So I like that. That's pretty neat. So that's the transmitter. Let's see. Here's one battery. They are proprietary. I was going to do a battery mod on this, but supposedly it comes with not one, but 2 batteries. So I may not have to do a battery mod right away, but you know me. Man, you get, looks like you get 8 extra props. Prop guards, screwdriver, removal tool. So they take care of you, man. There she is. I like the yellow and black. Now, most of my quads, are they? Yeah, these are. You got to watch these blades where they're positioned, because sometimes you get used to putting them on the same way every time. Because I always look, and almost all my drones, the blade tilts in when it's pointed on the inside. I think the Hubsons are backwards. They're a little bit different. Huh. So this thing is supposed to be a little hellion and just scoot. So that's it, the Holy Stone. Well, let's put a battery in, just see what it looks like when we power it on. And it says top and bottom, so there's a certain way to push these in apparently, so keep an eye out for that. That's the top. Except that ain't going in. There we go. It must be deader than a doornail. Oh, you gotta turn it on. There we go. Yeah, the battery's dead. Oh. So, from what I hear, this thing is fast, so I'm anxious to do a line of sight flight, and then shortly after that, FPV it up. I'm trying to remember, I think from watching these batteries, kind of a pain to get out. Oh, there they are. Yeah, ain't too bad. So the Holy Stone Bolt B. Now the frame's all plastic, but that's what you expect. But it looks like there's only like 4 screws to take this apart to get into the inside. Oh, I know what I was going to check. If I want to do a battery mod, I want to see what kind of room there is. I got a 850 somewhere. 6. Okay, here's an 850 milliamp battery. Fits in there no problem. I could probably even put something bigger. Here's a 1200 milliamp battery. Look at that. That might be too much weight. But yeah, I might have to do a mod and use this 850 milliamp battery. I don't know. That's something to look at later. So there you go. The Holy Stone Bolt B. Okay. Now, I'm going to let you go. I got one more thing to show you real quick. But I'm going to turn the camera around. Alright, hold on. Okay, I'm back. One more, let me get a drink of water real quick. One more thing to show you. And I know I thanked all you guys for your support. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate you tuning in, commenting. So thank you for all that. Now, I did a live stream a little while ago right before this, and I revealed this last item I want to show you. So some of you already seen it and know what it is. Some of you haven't. So I'll give you the story. And I'm going to give a shout out to Drone Worship, because wouldn't have been for his video, I probably wouldn't have this right now. I got something in the mail today that I've been wanting, but I assumed that they were pricey, or that it was just more money than I was willing to pay for it. Well, I was trolling Drone Worship's channel, watching some solo videos. I watched Hudson X4, nice long-range overwater video. Then I came across this mail time video, and he was opening some mail. Then he got to this one box, and he said, yeah, I've been waiting on this one. And he had a pretty big grin on his face, and you could tell he was stoked about it. And he opened it up, and he said where he got it and what he paid for it. I thought, you got to be kidding me. They're that cheap? I didn't realize, because I never looked into it. I've wanted one. Captain Cook's got one. Drone Worship's got one. And I know there's others out there that have them. But I wanted one. And if I would have known they were this cheap, I probably would have got one a while ago. But I have one now. And I probably wouldn't have it now if I wouldn't have come across Dan's video. So I want to give Dan a shout out and thank you for that video. That kind of made my week, actually, knowing I could get this in this quick. So, alright, you ready to see it? I'll show it to you, and then I'll let you go. Alright. Okay. I hope this works. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Drone Pool got himself a banner. So, yeah. I was stoked. I was wanting one for a while. I don't know how. Yep. Drone Pool got a banner. So I'm going to try and use this as a backdrop as often as I can. So, and I got this image off of my very first intro I've been using on my videos. I've been using it forever. Well, I created some more intros, so I'm probably going to make some more banners, just different designs and logos. I'm not going to keep doing the same one over and over. So that's what I got. I'm stoked about it. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a flight review of the Holystone Bolt B. I'll get this camera installed in the Ghost Drone, get some footage of that, and show you how things are going. So I guess that's it for now. This will be Drone Pool signing out.